Next 48 hours could decide whether gold explodes towards new high or trap lates buyer before a sharp correction. Because right now something unusual is happening on the charts. The daily time frame still looks bullish, but the 2 hours chart is flashing sign of exhaustion. At the same time, the US dollar bond yields and geopolitical tensions are creating a perfect storm for gold volatility. So in this video, I'll break down the fundamental story, the daily chart structure, the 2 hour chart setup, and the exact zones traders should watch for the next major move in XAUUSD. Okay, if you trade gold, forex pairs, or commodities, make sure you watch this video till the end because the setup developing right now on gold is extremely important. This is not just another random price movement. The market is entering a phase where one strong catalyst can trigger a massive breakout or a brutal liquidation move. If you see, the chart is trading around $4436.5. There is a clear pattern showing that the price is moving in this particular zone. We have seen at the sellers being rejected at these two levels and the price was moving upside. If we talk on the fundamental sides, what we have seen, gold is no longer moving only based on technicals. Right now, the market is focused on three major things. First, the US interest rate. Whenever the traders believe that Fed rate cut slow down the hikes or eventually cut rates, gold usually gains strength. And lower the dollar increase demand for safe haven assets. Second is the bond market. If you see the bond yields, recently we have seen instability, and every time yields cool down, gold gets breathing room to rally higher. We have seen there is instability because we have seen China and Japan and other countries are selling the US bonds. If yield suddenly spikes again, gold can face aggressive selling pressure very quickly. This is the pattern we have seen clearly. What we have seen, we mostly focus on the chart because see, whatever global tensions, recession fear, uncertainty, or anything we can see on the chart is showing. Okay, so on fundamentally, gold is still has bullish supports in the bigger picture, but the short-term traders must watch carefully because the market are extremely sensitive to US economic data and Federal Reserve commentary. Now looking at the technical chart, what you can see, this is the day chart. This is a day chart. We have seen the seller is being rejected twice and the price was continuously moving upside after that. This is the trend where the price is moving. As you can see that it was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. This is the level we have seen. Okay. And if you look at this particular trend, we have seen that the price after making in this particular zone, that if it started going continuously on the downside, we can see that it can come down to further low, because if you see the trend, it is trying to move in this particular pattern. Okay, and the price, if it keep moving, because this is the head and shoulder pattern is trying to make, so it is trying to go down, and chances are high if it started coming down, because if you see this level, the next support which is very close to it, chances will be high it will touch this particular level which is support 1, which is a strong support. From this level we can see a bounce back can come. From this level a bounce back can come. This is what we have seen. Okay, but if the price didn't bounce back, it will fall towards next level of around 42.77, which is support 2, you can say strong support. And these levels we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, first a level of around 42.77, then to a level of $42.49, which is support 3. Okay, and then if it started going down, a further fall can be seen and chances will be high it will break a level of $40.98. Trailing your SL is very important by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. Your SL is very important, if what we can see by $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. But suppose if it started coming upside. But before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, momentum is starting to slower near resistance zone and the market slowly pushed aggressively higher. If you see, suppose if it started going upside, what we can see, suppose if started rising, it can touch today's half around $45.29, and once started rising of this level, we can see it will cross a level of 45.85. which is a level which is already weak level. So chances will be high it will cross that level. It will cross that level and it will move towards a level of $45.96, which is again a weak level. So after this particular level, we can see if it started going towards high of today's high, it can move towards next very close it for 4545. That is also weak level, and a level of 4568 is also weak level, and then it will cross a level of $4585, which is weak. So probability will be high it will move out of this zone, and we can see the price can go towards 4600, and if it sustain, it can move towards 4629. Then a further upside towards 4657 can be seen. Okay, trailing your SL again is very important by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture upside movement. Understand, mostly we are focusing on the price action as well as support and resistance, because what we see on the chart, that is the real thing we believe in. Okay, news or anything can be manipulated, but what we see on the chart was the real thing we can see. Coming back on more lower time frame, because see, on a more lower time frame, if you are doing an intraday or a swing thing, you will understand how 2 hours chart plays an important role. See, this is the particular U pattern has formed. After that, there is an upside, and this pattern is already fulfilled. But if you see this particular next pattern, again the pattern has fulfilled and the price has moved below that level. Okay, this zone breakout we have seen in the month of March of 26. Now there will be a probability that if the price keep moving down, it can touch a level of $44.18, and if that didn't sustain, we will see it will move towards $43.54. Okay, this is support 2, and once started going below this level, we can see it will touch a level of $43.02, which is support 3, and then it will further fall below this level, because this is the particular trend only left if the price keep moving below $44.18. But if it started rising above this level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 44.60, then to a level of 45.02, and then to a level of 45.30. And once started rising above this level, it can move towards $45.60, and then it will cross a level of 45.82. Then there will be a zone breakout. So trading your SL by around $10 to $12 is important if you understand if the price sustain of 45 upside, or if it started going below a level of 44.18, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around 43.06 if keep moving down. Okay, understand trailing your SL is very important, and once you start to trade, put your SL so capital will be saved, and trail your SL once you are in profit. What we have seen in the traders, that mostly because of the patience, the trader lose the money. The smarter traders are not chasing candles, they are waiting for the confirmation structure and liquidity reaction. Okay, what we have to see that US dollar is an important thing here, bond is an important thing here, and the Federal Reserve related to rate cuts and all are important. Volume also playing an important role in the resistance support part. See, if you look at all these volume, we have seen there is a change in the direction. Overall, gold still remain bullish on the higher time frame, but short term charts are warning that volatility and possible breakouts are increasing. The next 48 hour could become extremely important for XAUUSD traders. Either buyer regains a push towards the fresh new lows, and the market finally enter a deeper correction phase before the next major rally. So don't trade emotionally, wait for confirmation, manage risk properly, and let the market reveals direction first. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Do you think gold is preparing for another breakout or correction first? And stay tuned, because the next move in XAUUSD could be massive.